All right, everybody, this is the last doll that I'm going to review. It was not a Christmas present. It was more like a Christmas present to myself. I got the blonde, long hair Ken doll a little while ago from eBay, and I wanted this guy really bad because he had the long dark hair and the Superman, or what they're calling the buff body mold. So this was my present to myself. So let's unbox them. I know other people have unboxed them already and shown them a million times, but this is for me. So I'm doing it again here for you guys. So there's him out of the box. I'm going to try to unbox this without looking like a total spaz, but no guarantees, because that's what I do when I'm doing these videos. So he has the certificate of authenticity, base, these stupid things. Where are my 80 strings? I miss them. Where you just had you cut one string and the whole shebang came out. Those are the days I miss. Mattel, bring back the strings. Here we go, struggling. Bear with me. I swear one of these days I'm going to learn how to edit a video where I can shoot a video and then go back and take all this nonsense and struggle bus stuff out. But until this Gen Xer gets up with the technology, you guys have to suffer through it. Sorry. Oh my goodness. I keep asking people, does anybody know how to edit videos that can teach me? And the answer is always, nope, I don't know anybody. Nope, I don't know anybody. So one of these days, I'll teach myself. Stand right there. Nobody wants to see that. Haha, more plastic. Yay. Oh boy. And does anybody else, does it give you anxiety about these three things through the skull of their dolls? Maybe it's just me, but ooh, look at that. My wish. There's strings. Just cut a bunch of those, see what that happens. And this is hold my breath. Don't cut the hair. This is too dangerous. Why the heck? Oh boy. Don't want to cut any of his hair off. I wished for strings, but now maybe I don't want strings because they're all sewn through his beautiful hair here. All right. Oh, more plastic. Another 10 minutes. All righty. We got some more plastic on his hands. Let's get that off. Another plastic over here. And I think we got him. So this guy's pretty handsome, I gotta say. Let's get a close-up of that guy. Yep, definitely a nice looking guy here. Long dark hair. And I'm kind of partial to this guy because back in the day of the Lost Boys with the vampires, I had a major crush on the dark-haired vampire. So I guess I'm kind of reverting back to those days. I think his name was Billy Weir or something like that, maybe. But yeah, so this guy has a black tank top on. Doesn't Velcro, but hopefully it's big enough just to fit over his head. He has pants, silver, that Velcro. He doesn't turn at the waist, but he has hip articulation. He has articulation at the wrist, elbows, the bicep, neck, knee joints, and it feels like his foot, ooh, it's not a whole split, has articulation too. So that's nice. But he comes with these awesome boots. And the silver lame pants, a little much for me. But yeah, I'm happy with this guy. Got some big ideas. So let's just see if I can remember the line from the Lost Boys. He comes up, has his fangs out. Someone tried to kill him. He goes, "You miss, sucker." Yeah, sorry guys, I had to do it. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. This is my last doll video, but I did get a couple little accessory things, miniatures, 1/6 scale stuff also that I'll do another video for, probably tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more struggle bus nonsense, classic 80 movie lines, and Barbie stuff. Bye guys.